Alright, so we're starting off with a quick look at the Tesla lineup under bright daylight. There's the eye-catching Cybertruck grabbing attention as always. But right next to it, the real stars today. 3 Tesla Model Y Junipers in stealth gray, pearl white, and Quicksilver. We'll take a closer look at each of these colors, how they shine in natural light, and yes, how much extra they'll cost you. First up, stealth gray. This sleek, futuristic shade is actually the new standard color, so it comes at no additional cost. In daylight it plays with shadows beautifully, really showing off the Juniper's redesigned body and sharper lines. It's bold, minimal, and works great with the dark trim and wheels. Next, we've got pearl white multicoat, a Tesla classic. It's clean, refined, and that subtle shimmer in sunlight gives it a polished, premium feel. Now this one comes with a $1,000 price tag, but it adds that timeless elegance that's hard to ignore. It pairs beautifully with the black accents and panoramic glass roof. And finally, Quicksilver. This one turns heads. It's got a deep metallic finish that sparkles under direct sun, really bringing out every contour of the new Juniper styling. It's the most premium color on offer right now, and yes, it's also the priciest. A $2,000 upgrade, but for that standout look, it might just be worth every penny. And just like that, we're back with the Cybertruck to wrap things up. So what do you think? Would you stick with the no-cost stealth gray, go timeless with pearl white, or make a bold move with Quicksilver? Drop your favorite in the comments, and hit subscribe for more real-world Tesla content coming soon.